What is up, everyone? Jflores here, and for today, I'm gonna teach you how to make some KFC hot shots. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you wanna learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now. Also, comment down below kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around to get featured on this channel, and lulutuin ko yan. Kaya ko man o hindi, I'll try my best na maluluto ko yung request nyo. So for this recipe, disclaimer lang, this is not 100% KFC-like hot shot since they have their secret ingredients, 160,009 spices, chukchaktenes. So yeah, this is my version, but I think this is really close to a KFC one. You can see sa picture as well. You'll see later on. So if natapos nyo to and you're gonna try it at home, please come back and let me know what you think. Kung comparable ba with KFC hot shots. So without further ado, let's do this. Game. So this chicken has already been brined, so we'll just go ahead and season with salt, pepper, MSG, sugar, paprika, and cayenne. Mix very well and let this marinate for at least 4 hours. Four hours has gone by, sprinkle some flour onto your chicken and crack in 1 egg. Then again, mix very well and let's coat these up. So first season the flour with cayenne, paprika, and MSG, then mix. To coat, simply drop the chicken into the flour mixture, drain the excess flour, then transfer to a plate. Make sure to let the chicken rest before frying at least 2 to 3 minutes. This will help our chicken to get more crispy. In the pan, heat some oil to 375 Fahrenheit, then fry the chicken until golden brown, approximately 8 to 10 minutes. This is the color that you're looking for, drain very well, and it's time to dig in. Transfer the hot sauce into your favorite bowl or plate, finish with cayenne, and you are done. So that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you're gonna try it at home. And nagka-cup lang ako kasi yung noo ko medyo malaki na, tapos baka lumaki pa. So tatakpan ko na lang. Anyway, so that was really easy. So please go ahead and try this at home. Come back and let me know what you think. Again, ma-KFC o hindi, this recipe is really good. So see for yourself, subukan nyo sa bahay. Let me know what you think. Okay, comment down again your request kung anong gusto nyo lulutuin ko the next time around. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, hit that subscribe, like, share, comment. Kahit mag-bash kayo, walang problema, dislike, whatever. Okay, that is it. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.